Sail into strength and stability in boat pose, balancing on the waves of your breath. Nava means boat. Asana means pose or posture in Sanskrit. So Navasana translates to boat pose in English. Let's begin with the pose. Inhale, start in a seated position with your legs together and knees bent. Place your hands behind you, fingertips pointing towards your hips. Lift your chest and lengthen through your spine. Exhale, lean back slightly, balancing on your back of your sit bones, keeping your core engaged as you lift your feet off the ground, bringing your shins parallel to the floor. Inhale, point your toes, squeeze your inner thighs together and continue to lift your chest. Exhale, for an extra challenge, extend your arms forward alongside your legs, palm facing each other. For more challenge, you can straighten your legs, keeping them together, and lift your chest. Hold the boat pose for several breaths, maintaining engagement in your core and keeping your spine lengthened. Keep breathing deeply. Exhale to release the pose and return to a seated position. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the pose to enhance stability and focus. Now let's see some of its modifications or variations. Start with your knees bent instead of straightening your legs fully, reducing intensity of the pose. Place your hands on the floor behind you for added support and stability. Sit on a cushion to elevate your hips slightly, making it easier to balance. Another variation you can try using a yoga strap. Loop a yoga strap around the bottoms of your feet and hold onto the ends to help lift your chest and legs. Try to balance and slowly release. As we continue practicing this pose, let's explore its benefits. Boat pose strengthens the core muscles, including the abdominals, hip flexors, and lower back muscles, improving overall stability and posture. It builds mental focus and concentration as you balance in the pose, helping to clear the mind and relieve stress and anxiety. It enhances coordination and body awareness as you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, fostering better mind-body connection and control. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.